In this video, I'll show you how to set up primary KYC on MEXC. If you find this useful, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the thumbs up button to like this video. The first step is to log into your MEXC account. If you don't have one yet, click on the link in my description below and watch the first video in the MEXC playlist to see how to set up your account and security. Once logged in, go to the top right and click on the profile icon. Here, when you click on identification on the left, you can access the KYC options. Now you can use MEXC without doing KYC. As you can see here, the unverified option allows you to withdraw up to 10 BTC per day. In this video, I'm going to do the primary KYC, which allows you to withdraw up to 80 BTC per day. The main restrictions you have without using KYC is the on-ramp and off-ramp options. For example, you can't use debit cards or credit cards to buy crypto, or you can't put fiat from your own bank account here. But I personally am pro KYC, so I'm going to go ahead with the primary KYC. Here, as you see here, the main requirement is your ID. Now you can use the MEXC app to do this, but here I'm going to verify using web. When you select that option, MEXC should select your country from your IP and populate it right here. If it didn't, make sure to select the right country and then choose the ID type. Here you can choose your ID card, passport, driving license, or resident permit. I'm going to go ahead with resident permit. Here it provides some ID photo requirements and best practices on how to take the picture. Now I'm going to use my laptop camera for this, but if you're using your mobile app, you can also do that. So I'm going to select take a photo of the front of your ID. Now make sure to have the camera permissions of your browser on so it actually can use the camera to do this. Make sure the ID is within that box and that everything is clear, and then click the white button to take the photo. Check the photo to make sure everything is clean and then click confirm. Alright, everything looks good there. Now take a photo of the back of your ID. Do the same thing and make sure everything is clear within that box, and then click the white button to take the photo. Check that the details are clear and unobstructed and click confirm. Alright, everything looks good, and then click submit for view. It says here the estimated review time is around 24 hours, but it usually takes much less. But I just checked my email and it says KYC verification successful and your identity has been verified. You can now enjoy a 24-hour withdrawal amount of 80 BTC. Now I don't have 80 BTC, but if I do want to withdraw that, I can. Now when I refresh my identity page, it shows my primary KYC is done and here I am verified. In the next video, I'm going to do the advanced KYC, so make sure to hit subscribe on my channel. But that's all that was needed to do your primary KYC.